Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Sports Fire app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this app to your device. So, first of all, you have to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have the downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have the loader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course, just follow me. So first of all, we have to go to search on the Fire Stick. So click that button with a gear icon, not a gear, but with a magnifying glass icon. Open the search bar, and then you start typing downloader in the search. And usually, there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the app, which you need to get to your Fire Stick. But then after you've got downloader, it's not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now to set up downloader, we'll need to go to the settings. Let's do it. So we click that little button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. And now in here, we open it and you need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then there's no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps near Firestick. Here it is. Let's open it. And now there's the downloader, which we just got to your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. So let's pick any location. Let's say it's gonna be Hungary. Click on it, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for an award. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps in our Firestick now. Let's open it. And it's time to start using the downloader. So open Downloader, here you go. And now just here in the search bar, you'll have to enter a code, which is gonna be 45855605. Once again, 45855605. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now we just have to wait a little bit until the app starts loading. Here you go. It usually takes only a couple of seconds to actually download the app to your Firestick. After that, you have to click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed to your Fire TV Stick device. And then don't click on open yet. Instead, press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So you just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick, and it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and now there at the bottom you will find the Sports Fire application, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the Sports Fire will always be at the very top of your application list, and it will be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally open the Sports Fire on the Firestick. So we open it up, wait a moment until it loads. And now here I have to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you what's exactly available in the application. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. Inside you will find loads of amazing live TV as well as live sports channels. So today you learned how to get the Sports Fire app on your Amazon Fire Stick device. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.